In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comment Notion. If you've added comments to a Notion page and now want to clean things up, this is a very simple process once you know where to look. In Notion, comments can usually be managed in a couple of different ways, depending on whether you want to remove them completely or just mark them as dealt with. I'll walk you through both options clearly so you can choose the one that fits your situation. First, go to your Notion page, open the page where the comment is located, and make sure you're in the right document before you make any changes. This is important, especially if you work across multiple pages or shared workspaces, because comments are attached to specific content or sections within that page. Once you're on the page, locate the comment you want to remove. When you find it, hover your mouse over the comment. As you do that, you should see additional controls appear. Look for the three dots in the top right corner of the comment window and click on them. This opens the comment options menu where Notion gives you different actions you can take. From that menu, click delete if your goal is to remove the comment completely. This is the best option when the comment is no longer needed at all and you want it gone from the page. Be careful before selecting this because deleting is usually meant for comments you don't want to keep as part of the page's discussion history. There's also another option depending on what you're trying to do. Instead of deleting the comment, you can click the tick icon to resolve it. Resolving a comment is useful when the issue or note has already been addressed, but you still want to keep a record that the conversation happened. This helps maintain context while also clearing active comment threads from view, which can make your page look much more organized. So to recap, open your Notion page, find the comment, hover over it, and click the three dots. Then either choose delete to remove it completely or click the tick icon to resolve it if you simply want to mark it as finished. That's all it takes to manage comments in Notion. If you want a cleaner workspace, resolving and deleting comments regularly can make your pages much easier to navigate and maintain.